How to fix HDMI no sound in Windows 10 when connected to TV. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video presentation, we'll be fixing the no HDMI audio device detected. So first of all, you have to restart your computer in order to troubleshoot the software issues and conflicting settings. Method 2. Check the hardware connections. Ensure that the HDMI cables are connected properly with no damage or debris. Disconnect, check, clean, and reconnect the cables. Set the HDMI as a default audio output. To fix the issue, make the HDMI the default sound by pressing the Windows key +R, then type in msys.cpl and press on OK. In the window, go to the Playback tab and connect HDMI. Locate it on the device list, and if not visible, enable the disabled and the disconnected devices. When you support the HDMI audio device, enable it and set as default. Update the Windows sound drivers if outdated. Open the run, enter the dev mgmt.msc, expand the audio, and update the driver software. Then select the search automatically for the updated driver software to let the computer find and install the driver updates. To enable the audio controllers, open the run dialog box, type in dev gmt.msc and click on OK, then go to View, check the Show Hidden Files, expand the system devices, locate the audio controllers like High Definition Audio Controller, then right-click and choose on Properties, go to Driver tab and select Enable. Now update the graphics card drivers by typing Device Manager in the search icon, selecting the first result, expanding the graphics card drivers, right-clicking on once to update and clicking on Update Driver. Select Search automatically for the updated driver software in Windows to install the latest driver update. You can also uninstall the graphic and audio drivers. If the updating the drivers does not work, the best thing is to uninstall the graphics and audio drivers. So this was all about it. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.